In this video, I will be showing you how to scan the passport using your iPhone. For that, the process is very simple and easy. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. And let's just dive right into the video. So what you exactly have to do is to follow the complete guide that I have made for you. So download a passport scanning application. Install an app like ePass or iBorder Control that can scan RFID chips. These apps use the iPhone's NFC Near Field Communication feature. Enable NFC. Make sure NFC is enabled on your iPhone 7 or later sports NFCs. Launch these passport scanning app. Hold your iPhone near the passport's RFID chips, usually on the back of the front page. The app will read the information from that chip. Ensure the app you choose is compatible with the specific iPhone model and the passport type. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.